I need to.
I need to.
J'ai besoin de. J'ai besoin de.
I need to learn driving.
I need to learn driving.
J'ai besoin d'apprendre la conduite. J'ai besoin d'apprendre la conduite.
I need to learn driving.
I have to.
I have to.
Je dois. Je dois.
I have to be very careful.
I have to be very careful.
Je dois être très prudent. Je dois être très prudent.
I have to be very careful.
I think about.
I think about.
Je pense à. Je pense à.
I think about my parents.
I think about my parents.
Je pense à mes parents. Je pense à mes parents.
I think about my parents.
I feel like.
I feel like.
J'ai envie. J'ai envie.
I feel like getting a new skill.
I feel like getting a new skill.
J'ai envie d'acquérir une nouvelle compétence. J'ai envie d'acquérir une nouvelle compétence.
I feel like getting a new skill.
He goes to.
He goes to.
Il va. Il va.
He goes to Chinese restaurant.
He goes to Chinese restaurant.
Il va au restaurant chinois. Il va au restaurant chinois.
He goes to Chinese restaurant.
He went to.
He went to.
Il est allé à. Il est allé à.
He went to school early.
He went to school early.
Il est allé à l'école tôt. Il est allé à l'école tôt.
He went to school early.
I was going to.
I was going to.
J'allais à. J'allais à.
I was going to a meeting.
I was going to a meeting.
J'allais à une réunion. J'allais à une réunion.
I was going to a meeting.
I thought of.
I thought of.
J'ai pensé à. J'ai pensé à.
I thought of that movie.
I thought of that movie.
J'ai pensé à ce film. J'ai pensé à ce film.
I thought of that movie.
She knows.
She knows.
Elle sait. Elle sait.
She knows the truth.
She knows the truth.
Elle sait la vérité. Elle sait la vérité.
She knows the truth.
We understand.
We understand.
On comprend. On comprend.
We understand your concern.
We understand your concern.
On comprend votre inquiétude. On comprend votre inquiétude.
We understand your concern.
They knew.
They knew.
Il savait. Il savait.
They knew what to do.
They knew what to do.
Il savait quoi faire. Il savait quoi faire.
They knew what to do.
We have.
We have.
Nous avons. Nous avons.
We have proofs.
We have proofs.
Nous avons des preuves. Nous avons des preuves.
We have proofs.
I will send you.
I will send you.
Je vous enverrai. Je vous enverrai.
I will send you an email.
I will send you an email.
Je vous enverrai un email. Je vous enverrai un email.
I will send you an email.
I saw them.
I saw them.
Je les ai vus. Je les ai vus.
I saw them at the party.
I saw them at the party.
Je les ai vus à la fête. Je les ai vus à la fête.
I saw them at the party.
I met him.
I met him.
Je l'ai rencontré. Je l'ai rencontré.
I met him at a concert.
I met him at a concert.
Je l'ai rencontré à un concert. Je l'ai rencontré à un concert.
I met him at a concert.
He was worried.
He was worried.
Il était inquiet. Il était inquiet.
He was worried about the issue.
He was worried about the issue.
Il était inquiet à ce sujet. Il était inquiet à ce sujet.
He was worried about the issue.
I sent him.
I send him.
Je lui envoie. Je lui envoie.
I send him some gifts.
I send him some gifts.
Je lui envoie des cadeaux. Je lui envoie des cadeaux.
I send him some gifts.
I have made.
I have made.
J'ai fait. J'ai fait.
I have made a choice.
I have made a choice.
J'ai fait un choix. J'ai fait un choix.
I have made a choice.
He took notes.
He took notes.
Il a pris des notes. Il a pris des notes.
He took notes at the conference.
He took notes at the conference.
Il a pris des notes à la conférence. Il a pris des notes à la conférence.
He took notes at the conference.
He lifted up.
He lifted up.
Il a soulevé. Il a soulevé.
He lifted up a heavy machine.
He lifted up a heavy machine.
Il a soulevé une machine lourde. Il a soulevé une machine lourde.